Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how to download Roblox on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Roblox on your PC or laptop, first, what I want you to do is go to any web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once you've opened your web browser, next, go and search Roblox. And after you search, you can now go to the Roblox website. And after you open the website, you will be directed here. So here you just need to log in or sign up a Roblox account. If you already have a Roblox account, you can just click this to log in your account. But if you don't have a Roblox account, then you will need to sign up to create your Roblox account right here. So to sign up, you just need to fill up this information such as your birthday, username, password, and your gender. Reminder guys, make sure to remember your username and password, because you will need it to log in to your Roblox account. So once you've finished filling up your information, you can now click sign up to create your Roblox account. And after that, you will now have a Roblox account. So now that you have a Roblox account, what I want you to do next is click any of these Roblox game. And after that, go click the play button. Then you can now download Roblox by clicking this. Once Roblox setup was installed, tap the file. And after that, Roblox will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished install, you can now click join. And then there you go. You have successfully downloaded Roblox. Now you can start playing it. Enjoy the game guys. And so that's just how you download Roblox on your PC or laptop guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.